Need a safe place to keep your money? Pay bills and get direct deposit? I got you. Today, I'm showing you how to open a checking account, step by step, with everything you need to know before you walk into a bank or apply online. Let's make your money work smarter. Whether you're opening your first account or switching banks, choosing the best checking account can save you money on fees and give you better features, like mobile banking, 0 monthly fees, and overdraft protection. Here's what you need to open a checking account. Government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license or passport, social security number or ITIN. Initial deposit, usually $25 or $100, but some accounts are free to open. You can open a bank account online or in person. Online banks like Chime or SoFi are fast and paperless, while brick-and-mortar banks might give you personal support and ATM access. It's all about what works best for your lifestyle. When you apply, you'll fill out a short form, verify your identity, and make your first deposit. Once approved, you'll get your debit card and online banking access, sometimes instantly, sometimes by mail. Set up direct deposit to get your paycheck faster, and use mobile apps to track spending, transfer funds, and avoid fees. Want to earn a little extra? Some banks even offer cash bonuses just for signing up. Don't miss out on that free money. Opening a checking account doesn't have to be complicated. And now you know exactly what to do. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and let me know in the comments which bank you're thinking of going with. I'm here to help you build smarter money habits.